Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook American food. To begin, gather your essential ingredients like ground beef, potatoes, and various cheeses. Next, familiarize yourself with basic cooking methods such as grilling, baking, and frying, which are fundamental to many classic dishes. We'll then explore popular recipes, ensuring you understand the core steps for each. This foundational knowledge will empower you to confidently prepare delicious American meals right in your own kitchen. Let's dive into some iconic American meals. For a perfect burger, aim for a patty about 1 inch thick, cooking it for 3 to 4 minutes per side for medium rare. When making mac and cheese, use about 8 ounces of elbow macaroni and a rich cheese sauce with 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour for the roux. And for a classic apple pie, ensure your crust is chilled for at least 30 minutes before baking to achieve that wonderfully flaky texture. Mastering a few key techniques will elevate your American cooking. For grilling, preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, to get those perfect sear marks. Proper seasoning is crucial. Don't be shy with salt and pepper, and consider a dash of paprika or garlic powder. For crispy fried chicken, a double dredge in seasoned flour and a hot oil temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit are your secrets to success. Beyond the basics, American cuisine offers incredible regional diversity. Explore the spicy flavors of the South with dishes like jambalaya or the hearty clam chowder from New England. Don't hesitate to experiment with different spices, perhaps adding a pinch of cayenne for a kick or a sprinkle of fresh herbs for brightness. Remember, cooking is an art, so feel free to adapt recipes and make them uniquely yours, reflecting your personal taste preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.